Welcome friends. Today in this video I will show you about an amazing project, diamond mining forex USD. So first of all you have to sign up to this account. So please type your username, select the username from here, type username and select your password here, and then you have to select the fund password. After selecting fund password you have to enter your telegram ID. Let's suppose my telegram ID is awithmp2, and then you select the verification code MANE, and after clicking user agreement click on register. So I already registered, so I am click on login. As you can see I just signed up and enter my user details. Then you have to enter the captcha, so E68X, and select user agreement, then click on login. So it says incorrect password. I will type the captcha again and password again, EZ6U, and enter my password and then click on login. As you can see I just log in. As you can see the announcement, so the announcement is welfare activities, invite registration, recharge and reward. Invite friend to join reward. 5 friend is 8 USDT, 10 friend 15 USDT, 20 friend 30, 50 friends 100 friend 250, 200 friend reward is 50, 300 friend reward 1000, and the annuity sub coordinators must deposit at least 10 USDT. And if you click next, this is the another promotion. So Jiashing is a global cryptocurrency investment limited company. I will click close. As you can see, if you sign up to this account you will get 8,888 TRX. Investment can get up to 10% commission reward. So this is the fact question. If you click on this, this will be the FAQ to this website. Click on go back, and this is the deposit, withdraw, share, team in app, sign out. All the details is this. And if you click on basic account, and this is the promotion account, so you have 8,888 TRX in your basic account. Join to be a Tron millionaire. forexusd.com has the best DeFi technology and cloud mining equipment in the world. Cloud mining offers a potentially effective cost ways to mine cryptocurrencies at the same time, both coordinates and trading DeFi projects. So this is the platform data display. As you can see the number of membership, the number of accomplished profit, and this is about the section. Cloud mining offer the potentially coefficient, and the global partners are WazirX, CoinDCX, Genesis Mining, CoinMint, Bitman, Binance and Bitman. If you click on trading account, you will see the trading account 5% TRX and 5.5% USDT. So this is the best DeFi project and technology mining. So if you click on invest, you will see the cycles. Let's go to home page and click on deposit. I will show you how to deposit to this account. After clicking deposit, you will click on transfer to your account. So select your currency type. I am selecting TRX, confirm TRX, and copy this address, and then I will go to my Binance account, and I will go to my Binance account and send 10 TRX to this account. So as you can see I will click on withdraw. After clicking withdraw I will select the TRX, and I will send 10 TRX to this account. So I just click on 10, click on withdraw. After clicking withdraw I will send 10 TRX. As you can see I just sent 10 TRX to my account, and let's wait to be arrive to the application. Let's go back to our application. So this is the application. Let me check recharge complete. So the submission is completed. Then click on mine. The deposit isn't arrived yet. So let me explain the platform until the deposit arrive. I will show you when the deposit arrive. So if you click on trading account, you will see the 5% TRX, 5.5% USDT. If I click on invest, you will see the product list, the cycle 90 days, interest rate 20%, currency USDT, and purchase limit 10. 70-day cycle 16.8% profit, high interest rate, and purchase limit 99. 30-day cycle 4.5%, 5-day limit, 15% cycle 2.3% rate, 6 purchase limit, 90-day cycle 13.9% interest rate, and purchase limit 99, and currency is TRX. And cycle 60 days 10.8% interest rate, currency TRX 999, purchase limit. So I think our let me show you the deposit. And if you click on recharge, this is the recharge. So let's go back, and this is the purchase list. I didn't purchase yet. If you click on share, you will see the invitation link. Copy this address and send to one of your friend, and he will join to this address. You will get the reward too. If I click on mine reload, let me check if the deposit arrived. So let's go back to our Binance, view history. Let me check if the deposit is arrived. So deposit is in still processing. Let me reload this account. So as you can see, there are 3 blocks to be confirmed, so it is processing 3 by 1. And let me pause the video until the deposit arrived. As you can see, the deposit has been completed successfully. Let's go back to our application, and let me check if the deposit completed. So let's click on submit, and as you can see, the deposit is arrived. 8,897.45 TRX is arrived. The deposit amount is 9 TRX. And if you click on application services, if you click on team, here is the team data, here is the profit data. As you can see, I just signed up 9.45 TRX. And if you click on transfer to basic account, you can transfer to basic account. If you click on share, so this is the share account. You can see the share rules. Go back, and let me show you the notification area. So all the major notifications are listed here, and this is the gift exchange. So your ID is 165673. Please enter gift redemption code. You will enter the code and you will redeem the gift. If you click on application, you will be redirected to the APK file, and as you can see, the APK file is downloading. If you want to change the password, click on change password, and if you sign out, click on sign out. So this is the application. So this is the application. So you must sign up to this account and invest. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.